Morning guys, this is where I stayed last night, opposite this church. Van's just parked down in front of me. I just walked up to the bin, get rid of the day's trash. I'm down in West Lulworth and I'm just going past my van now. I'm going to walk down to Lulworth Cove. The weather's foul, it's supposed to rain lunchtime. Heavy rain. Could be here for a couple of days. So plenty of places to walk. Had a quick look at Lulworth Cove last night. Lulworth Cove is amazing geographical, geological formation, and the quick look, it was after sunset, so it was almost dark, and there's a huge car park there. Again, I'm not paying to park in it, and it said overnight parking, and the hill was a bit too steep. Parked in a hill now, you can see up behind, but hill last night was too steep, so and I'd have to move the car by 7 AM, which I didn't fancy. It's now about 8:30, and so I'm going to walk down to Lulworth Cove. Back to you in a sec. Okay, it only took me 5 minutes to walk down from where my car was parked at West Lulworth down to Lulworth Cove. Saves the parking charges. Up on the hill in the distance is the footpath, southwest coast path. I'm going to be taking that down to Durdle Door later. So this is the main car park visitor area. It's a sleepy cove at the moment. It's still before 9 o'clock and not much is open. And the visitor centre don't open until 10 during the winter. So this is the route I'm going to take. Lulworth Cove. What a view this is. I'm going to go for a quick walk around the edge of the cove, some of the footpaths have collapsed and are out of use. But this side there seems to be some open ones. Here's a little information board. I'll add a still photo about Lulworth Cove. There's the view right down into the cove. Turquoise waters. That would be quite amazing in a good sunny day. Then out to sea in the English Channel. And down here is quite amazing. Can't remember what it's called. The water's broken through arches down there. It's a bit foggy up on the hills, and in the far distance the valley which I walked down from the van. Stair Hole, I couldn't remember its name. So arches, blowholes, more arches and caves stacked down there. And that's about as close a view as I can get of Stair Hole. The formation behind me is eroding away. So that's my walk around Lulworth Cove. Amazing place. I'll have to do a few laps around this country before I hit it so the weather's nice in all the places. Right, I'm heading back off. I'm actually going to go to the van, get some breakfast and some coffee. I did just pop into the gift shop at Lulworth Cove and visitor centre, more importantly. Excellent visitor centre, 3D maps, models, animated things on TV, fossils, some huge fossils as well. Well worth taking a look if you're down here, and don't just expect it to be a gift shop like they normally are. Just started to rain, it's forecast in the next hour or two some heavy rain, so perfect for being back at the van for coffee, late breakfast. Catch you guys in a bit. Definitely timed that right. It's, the wind's gusting now, 40 to 50 mile an hour as predicted, and the rain is coming down heavy. So I'm going to hole up here for an hour, maybe 2 hours till it's passed, and then get back on my walk. Just going to make some toasted cheese sandwiches, made my coffee. Some hot pepper sauce. I like my hot pepper sauce, me and Kona. I don't normally bother with Tabasco, it's in 2 smaller bottles. And I pick up anything else that's going cheap. There's my little toaster in action. I don't know what you can actually see from that screen there, but it does the job. I tend to just pick up the cheap packets of cheese. Sometimes they're on offer. It's pre-sliced. It's not the processed, well, it is processed, but it's not the plasticky cheese that you put on your burgers. It's pre-slicing means it can be cut a lot thinner than I could possibly cut it, and therefore it goes a little bit further. Cut the little dollops of this. It's quite a nice hot pepper sauce, this Ancona stuff. Do like a little bit of brown sauce as well. Yeah, so this is the first really bad weather day of the trip, to be honest, and still plenty of opportunity to get out there and walk. That's what you make of it. Makes sense just to hole up for this hour though. I'm going to put some walking trousers on just in case there's some showers this afternoon. I don't want to wear my jeans. If they get wet, they'll be a real pain to try and get dried. Anyway guys, catch you later.